Panal Sustainable Regenerative Condominium by AYMA Arquitectura y Medio Ambiente LTDA in Santiago, Chile. Panal is developed through a sponge-type micro-neighborhood master plan with 7 mixed-use units. This promotes a higher quality of life for its inhabitants, minimizing the time it takes to travel from their homes to their place of work or recreational activities, and can accommodate housing, workshops, showrooms, and offices. The units, all different, are arranged from the naturalness of the slope of the hill, with an eastern view of the Andes Mountains and a western view of the city of Santiago. Likewise, each unit resolves, according to its location, the placement of gardens and grills to the northwest and south facade with controlled openings and stone walls, material extracted from excavations on the site for land containment, boundaries, and landscaping. Percolating pavements, regenerative native gardens, and green roofs were defined so that the surfaces of the project would be 100% absorbent and would be able to capture all of the rainwater naturally through the earth. At the same time, the green areas, which make up 90% of the project's surface area, generate an ecological corridor giving continuity to the Arboretum Park, which connects the Andes Mountains with the city, thus guaranteeing the biodiversity that existed before human intervention. In addition, the complex is connected internally through a central plaza, which contains a wetland-type treatment plant that treats wastewater and then uses it to irrigate common areas, green roofs, and gardens of each house, reducing water consumption by 80%. To ensure a minimal carbon footprint, quincha was used as the construction system throughout the complex, using the earth from the excavations for insulation and plastering the units. This system, together with green roofs and a correct solar approach, guarantees greater thermal efficiency, giving the units an interior oscillation of 15 and 20 degrees, achieving energy savings in the air conditioning of 80%. During the construction process, free workshops were held to educate children about the importance of building in a conscious manner. Through the use of natural materials, green roofs, deciduous shade, and native vegetation, the condominium blends in with its surroundings and harmonizes with the environment, giving back to the earth what was taken from it at the time of construction. The construction process was in line with 11 of the 17 UN Sustainable Development Goals.